Hey, y'all be quiet up there, alright? Hey, shh. I went and caught. See, I ain't want to go like foreign on foreign, so I'm like, out here in Milan, see bro slamming doors and shit. He gonna have to see me when he get back. What'd I tell you about pulling up this late? Come on, bro. I know you ain't got nowhere to stay, bro. But I can't let you stay with me every fucking time, bro. Just come on, bro. I'll give you a tour of the spot real quick. Come on in, man. It's the front, though. I went 14 karat on the walls, man. Y'all know I buy cribs every country I go to. I got 5 houses in Dubai. Peak game. I went gold with it. Went gold. I even went gold first. Cause I wasn't even trying to play with them when I came out here. You know, Milan hella bougie, so I'm like, I'm with Milan, I'm gonna come correct. You feel me? So, come over here, man. This is a few of my rooms. I got a few people staying in them paying me and shit, so I can't even show y'all them rooms. But I'm gonna show you one of the rooms right here. See one of the rooms right here. Something like, you know, we went bathroom with it. We went gold sink, cause I'm like, if I'm gonna go Milan, bro, I gotta go Milan. You feel me? Milano, actually, so I went gold sink. This shit alone was like 50 bands. I'm like, man, this shit crazy. It is what it is, though, man. What we make money for? Should spend it, right? I went marble walls, and I wasn't trying to go drywall. Like back in LA, I went drywall in the mansion, and I'm like, man, I can go drywall because I ain't got nobody that can hear me. But I got other people staying here that's paying my rent for me, so I'm like, I'm gonna go marble wall on them. This is like $5 million by itself, and then you come over here, you got the damn bed right here. I went queen size, and I'm like, if I go king size, I just realized how important women is in today's era, and I know how much women impacted my life personally. I'm a mama's boy, by the way, and I always want to be around a queen. So it's like, I'm surrounded by queens my entire life, so I went queen bed. I ain't want to go king. I'm cool off that. I ain't really friendly with these niggas like that. But you come over here, I went TCL. I could have went Samsung, could have went Sony, but everybody got the Sony. Everybody got the Samsung. Everybody got the 80-inch. Everybody got this. I'm like, I'm gonna find a sweet spot, and I'm gonna get me a 51.5-inch. Never created before. Nobody got a 51.5-inch TV. I'm the first person ever in America, Milan, ever to have a 51.5-inch. People usually go 52, but I said I'm gonna go 51.5 just to do something different. I don't never like to be like no other man. Come over here. I went espresso machine because I'm like, I wake up in the morning, bro. Sometimes, bro, I'm flying across the country. Like, I just came from London yesterday. I'm like, you know what, bro? I'm tired. I'm gonna go espresso machine. This espresso elite machine, though, this shit alone like 10 bands. And euros, not the dollar. Like, I gotta realize the dollar is not like that, bro. It's not that much. Euros, bro, 1 euro is like $3, nigga. So you do the math, man. That's 30,000 in the US. I come back and sell that bitch. I can pay a teacher to teach whoever for the whole year. Come over here. I went and got these seats. They look like generators. I'm like, I'm gonna go ahead and trick the people because I don't want people to think that I just be sitting on the balcony. Y'all know I'm literally like, I told y'all this once before, but I'm like Michael Jackson out here, y'all. So, like in London, I'm like Michael Jackson. Out here, bro, I'm like Elvis, Michael Jackson mix type shit. So I'm like, I don't want people to see seats on my balcony and be like, oh, DDG just be sitting on the balcony? No, so I went generator on them. So I just do like this. They think I'm out here preparing something, but I'm really just chilling, looking at Bottega, seeing what's the next season. You know, I'm out here for Fashion Week, so I'm just looking at what's the next season, what I'm gonna pop up, what I'm gonna see on the runway. That's just how I be moving. I'm telling you, I'm real different. I know y'all see me, y'all used to seeing me every day on YouTube and shit like that, but I'm not the same guy. Not the same guy. That's what I be trying to tell y'all, bro. Like, people grow, people elevate, people see different things in life. You know, I'm not the same nigga from Pontiac. I'm the same nigga from Pontiac, but I'm not the same nigga from Pontiac. You feel me? So I gotta come different, but I ain't done. I bought the whole building, so I'm gonna show you the rest of the building too. I ain't gonna be stingy. Can't drop the low for everybody, man. That's how niggas get hurt. But we gonna come out here and we gonna just slide out here something. I gotta tell them to fix that, man. How you close this bitch? Yeah, man, so we gonna come over here, like, pop out right here, man. I went elevator on because I'm like, what I look like being DDG, right? Being DDG, the double platinum DDG. The 1 billion streams on Spotify alone, by the way. I hit 1 billion, y'all. Come on, clap it up for me. It's not normal. None of your homies in the hood that's locally rapping haven't even touched 10 million. I'm at 1 billion. He's not nowhere next to me. Put respect on my name. 30 Forbes, that's 30 under 30 DDG. Like, man, I can't. Fashion Week, DDG, like. Hey, y'all be quiet up there, all right? Hey, shh. This way I had to go shh, because that's more universal. I know most people out here speak Italian, so I went shh with them, so you understand. But you know, I went elevator on because I'm like, bro, what I look like walking down the stairs? Imagine like one of y'all see me walking down the stairs. You're not gonna want to listen to my music no more. This nigga walking down the stairs, he's supposed to be Mr. Rich Guy. I'm like, man, I gotta live in my truth, so I went elevator on this shit. So the installation of this was $1 million. Though. Euros, it was probably around like 800. But the elevator in itself, this shit was a little bit. Big dog coming down here, bro. We might have to bang. You want these? Straight. You ain't want to tell him. Come out here though. This the courtyard, man. I wouldn't have got this statue because I'm like, bro, I want to display the culture. So I want a statue on. I went and got this shit, man. Easy. Move around, bro. Come around here. Shit, you went. I went and caught. See, I ain't want to go like foreign on foreign, so I'm like out here in Milan. See, bro, slamming doors and shit. He gonna have to see me when he get back. I don't know why people be trying to play with me. How the lighting is good. I ain't want to go foreign on foreign, so I went and caught a bunch of Audis and a bunch of BMWs because I'm like, a lot of the times my niggas pop out here and they like, bro, we need something to whip. I'm like, bro, I got you. So I went, you know what I'm saying? I got that for woo-wop when you graduate. My brother drive that Audi. I drive a matching Audi. My mom over there got that Audi. I went and got Hallie an Audi. She don't even like to drive. I'm like, so I'm just get you an Audi just in case you wake up one morning and you want to whip it. You feel me? But that's just how it be out here though. Like, this my building right here, y'all. Check it out. This is what I work hard for, y'all. Got this motorcycle. I went water fountain on him because I'm like, it's like a little vibe. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes Hallie want to get out the crib. She want to get some fresh air. So I ain't trying to really keep her in the crib for real. So I go ahead and I put the waterfall out here. So we come out here sometimes, set up some chairs, kick it, watch the water drip into the fountain. You know, regular little shit. But this is how I be living, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all how the front goes. Y'all gotta see the front though. Still rocking the crop top, man. I'm the only man in the world that can rock a crop top and get away with it. This is a drip for me. Could've went shirtless. I ain't even gonna do it to him. Come over here, man. I want a small door on him because there ain't that many tall people in Milano. So I'm like, I'm gonna go small door on him. So I built the big wall, built the big door. Then I was like, shit, I don't even I wanna be able to alternate between opening that bitch up when I bring the whips in and then like just going out as a single person. So I just, feel me? And then it's like one of these. It's one of these. You know what I'm saying? It's one of them. Feel me? One of them. Feel me? Damn near like a hidden door. So I'm gonna show y'all. Come on, man. See the front door and shit. Check out the front door. Feel me? Light. Straight. This my hood, y'all. This where I be at, y'all. Like this one of the, I don't usually like showing all the cribs I be in. But a lot of y'all ain't gonna come to Milano, so y'all don't even matter for real. So I'm okay with showing y'all this. So already it's currently 10:48 right now. Got a few after parties I might fuck around here too. I don't know yet. Yeah, I'm here in Milano for a good time, not a long time. I just kind of wanted to show y'all a quick little segment of me in my natural habitat, man. Y'all ain't gotta go nowhere, but you gotta get the hell out of here, man. I ain't gonna lie to you, man. Y'all be safe out here,
huh? She on X, she on lean, she on dope. Popping pills, trying to feel, trying to cope. Didn't work, she still sad, she want more.